Weight loss patches promise easy fat loss without dieting or extreme workouts, and Pureluxo Moringa Patch is one of the newest being advertised with bold claims of appetite suppression, metabolic boost, and fat burning. But the real question is, does it actually help you lose weight, especially in 2026? Let's break it down. So the Pureluxo Moringa Patch is marketed as a nano microneedle patch that delivers ingredients like moringa, berberine, NAD+, and plant extracts through your skin to target stubborn fat, suppress appetite, and boost metabolism, with some ads even saying visible results in about a week and improved skin firmness. Sounds too good to be true? That's because these claims go far beyond what weight loss science supports. Here's the key reality. Moringa and berberine have some evidence from human studies in supplement form suggesting modest effects on metabolism and appetite when combined with diet and exercise, but not dramatic or overnight weight loss. Patches delivering these ingredients through the skin in meaningful doses isn't scientifically proven. Experts note there's no reliable evidence that these microneedle patches can meaningfully change metabolism or fat stores simply by sticking them on your body. Independent reviewers warn that many such patches are marketing buzz rather than medically verified tools. In other words, even if ingredients show mild benefits orally, there's no clear human research showing this transdermal patch causes clinically significant weight loss on its own. There's no robust independent user feedback or peer-reviewed clinical data showing Pureluxo patches delivers weight loss results by themselves, and similar moringa berberine patch products have a history of disappearing online, repackaged under new brand names with the same unrealistic promises. People on communities like Reddit often share skepticism, saying the marketing testimonials look generic and the real weight loss typically comes from diet changes and exercise, not miracle patches. The final verdict: Pureluxo might offer a little metabolic or appetite support if the ingredients are real, but there's no strong proof it causes meaningful weight loss on its own. Patches with big claims and fast results should be viewed with skepticism. Real weight loss usually takes calorie control, consistent exercise, and lifestyle changes. The bottom line: if you want sustainable results, focus on diet and activity first. Patches like this are not a guaranteed shortcut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.